Hello everyone, class 7. Today we will do the assignment of chapter 5 quality. First MCQ is the infrequent visit by the author to Mr. Jessler's shop was due to A. Jessler's shoes lasted long. B. The author did not get time. C. The father kept busy. The correct answer is A. Jessler's shoes lasted long. Okay, now question number 2. The shoes making for Mr. Jessler was A. A difficult task. B. An easy task. C. An art. The correct answer is an art. Okay, now question number 3. When author saw Mr. Jessler lined-faced, he saw things he had never noticed before. What did the lined face show? जब ऑथर देखते हैं कि मिस्टर जैसलर्स का जो फेज होता है, लाइन फेज मीन्स जैसे रिंकल्स आ जाना, टेंशन में होना, तो वो जब नोटिस करते हैं उससे उनको क्या लगता है कि उनकी लाइन फेज से क्या शो होता है? ए हिज सेटिस्फैक्शन, बी द स्ट्रगल फॉर सर्वाइवल, सी द लाइन ऑफ हिज फेस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी द स्ट्रगल फॉर सर्वाइवल. Okay then, now question number 4. Poor old man starved himself. The doctor called it. Who is the poor old man? ठीक है, ये डॉक्टर की लाइंस होती हैं. Poor old man starved himself. तो कौन होता है, किसको कहते हैं वो poor old man? The correct answer is the brother of Chesler. A. The brother of Chesler. Now, question number 5. The author could guess that Mr. Jessler was not in favor of. Author क्या guess करते हैं कि जो Mr. Jessler है वो किसके favor में नहीं है? Big firms, advertisement by big firms, C. Good quality. The answer is B. Advertisement by big firm. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 6. In the modern times, the big firms, modern times में big firms कैसे होती हैं या क्या करती हैं? Get good business in summer, are cheating the people, had employ advertisers. The answer is are cheating the people. Okay, now question number 7. He took long time to execute his order shows. He took long time to execute his order shows. A. He was slow. B. His physical inability. C. His insistence on quality. C. His insistence on quality. Okay, now question number 8 is, what was the accent of shoemaker and his brother? जो shoemaker और उसके brother होते हैं उनके बोलने का accent कहाँ का होता है? A. German, B. British, C. American. The correct answer is German. Okay, now question number 9 is, why did not he have any work? तो बाद में जो जैसलर थे, मिस्टर जैसलर, वो और काम क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे? Question number 9 is, why did not he have any work? तो मिस्टर जैसलर के पास अब कोई काम क्यों नहीं था? A. He grew old. B. His shop was closed. C. His customer had turned away. The correct answer is C. His customers had turned away. Okay. Now question number 10. What was the author's opinion Mr. Jessler as a bootmaker? Author का opinion क्या था Mr. Jessler को लेके as a bootmaker? The correct answer is the author was impressed with Mr. Jessler. ठीक है? A. A is the correct answer. The author was impressed with Mr. Jessler. Okay, now these are the MCQ from the poem Tree. Question number 1. What do adults do under the tree? जो adults होते हैं वो under tree के नीचे बैठ के क्या करते हैं? They swing on They make tree houses. They enjoy having tea parties. The correct answer is C. They enjoy having tea parties. Okay, now question number 2 is who enjoy with the trees most? सबसे ज़्यादा trees के साथ कौन enjoy करते हैं? Birds and children, mother and father, leaves and flowers. The correct answer is A. Birds and children. Okay, let's move to the next question. Our next question is how are trees useful for birds? Birds के लिए trees किस तरह से useful होते हैं? A. To build nest on, to use its wood, to swing on. Yes, the correct answer is A. To build nest on. Question number 4. Who hides behind the trees in hide and seek? कौन हाइड एंड सीक खेलता है ट्रीज के पीछे? बर्ड्स, चिल्ड्रन या पासोबाई? यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, चिल्ड्रन. Okay, now question number 5 is what do mothers say for trees? Trees के लिए mother क्या कहती हैं? What a lovely thing to play. What a lovely picture to paint. C. What a lovely place to sit. The correct answer is B. What a lovely picture to paint. Okay. Okay, there is some question answer from the chapter quality. Question number 1. Who lived in London in his shoe shop? लंदन में शू शॉप में कौन रहता था? The correct answer is Mr. Jessler lived in London in his shoe shop. Question number 2. What was written on the signboard at that shop? Answer is Jessler's brother. तो शॉप के जो साइन बोर्ड में क्या लिखा हुआ था? Jessler's brothers was written on the signboard at the shop. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 is how are the shoes he made were different from others? वो किस तरह के shoes बनाते थे जो दूसरों से अलग होते थे? The answer is he made shoes with the finest quality and with the best leather. ठीक है? Okay, now question number 4 is why did the author visit the shop infrequently? जो author थे वो shop में अक्सर क्यों जाया करते थे? Because आप पहले आप क्वेश्चन में से लिखेंगे the author visited the shop infrequently because the shoes made by Mr. Jessler was long lasting and different from others. Question number 5. What was Mr. Jessler's complaint against big firms? Mr. Jessler की big firms को लेके क्या complaint थी? Answer is according to Mr. Jessler, big firms got customer from the advertisement, not from his quality. Okay. The last question is why did the author order so many pairs of shoes? Did he really need this? You can write down the answer. The author orders so many pairs of shoes to help him out. No, he did not need them. Okay. तो आप इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं The author orders so many pairs of shoes to help him out या फिर to help Mr. Jessler and no, he did not really need them. Okay. Now your assignment has been finished. Okay. Do it in your fair notebook. Bye. Take care.